What is going on, everyone? I have a review here to share with all of you of a really cool gadget. This is a powered USB 3.0 hub with 11 ports. It's basically a USB hub splitter. This has 7 high-speed data transfer ports and 4 smart charging ports on it. So if you just hold the button in, you can turn these ports on. These are the these are the 2.4 amp quick charging ports. There's also an additional one here on the side. And then you have your high speed USB 3.0, which is like up to 5 gigabits. So I plug pretty much everything into this, like cameras, connect my drone to it. I leave it on 24/7. I have it connected through USB to my computer. And this cord that is actually built into it right here is about I think it's 3.3 feet long to be specific. This also comes with a charging power brick. Not a charging power brick, I'm sorry, a power brick, but you can plug that right in there on the side. And I leave that plugged in to keep power constant to it, to keep it stable, where, you know, it's not just depending on USB power. So you can have both connected at the same time to keep it more stable when charging things. So when I actually power off my computer, this actually stays on based off of being plugged in, you know, to this power brick down there. So the cable that comes with that, I'll just show you real quick. It's plugged in down there. It's that great big one right there. You know, there's probably 4 feet of wire with that one. So it's plenty long enough to get over to a receptacle. This doesn't come with anything on the bottom as far as like sticking it to the table. I put some sticky stuff on to hold it. What I found was I've had it 6 months. It's very stable. It does not buzz. It does not get hot. It just stays normal. Like, it's very lightly warm. I never turn this thing off. I have it plugged into a surge protector, and I can throw anything at it anytime I want. You just hold these little buttons in for about 2 seconds. And you can turn off your individual ports. Then you don't have to constantly, you know, plug your cables in, unplug your cables, and all that kinds of stuff. The box it came in is basically this box here. Didn't really come with much except the power brick, you know, to power it. Again, I have both of those plugged in, and that actually, the USB one is built in, so it's not removable from the actual unit here. One thing nice about this is it's compatible with everything. Like, it's backwards compatible if you have USB 2.0 devices and things like that. You can use it pretty much with any operating system. It works with Mac, Windows. It does not require drivers. This thing is plug and play. So it's real simple to just plug in and start using your stuff. You can pretty much plug into this thing cameras, mice, keyboards, hard drives, Bluetooth, flash devices, printers, speakers, you know, anything you can think of pretty much with this USB stuff. So one thing I do want to mention real quick, if you wanted to not use, say you wanted to keep this thing powered on after you turn your computer off, and you only want to use the USB, which is this plug here. If you just want to have that plugged into your computer, there's a way to do that. You can go in and change the settings in your computer. So when you turn your computer off, it would stay on, but that's only if you're not going to use, say you unplug the power adapter and you only have the USB plugged into your computer. Right now, if I turn my computer off, all these lights are gonna go out and it's gonna not be powered on. But there is a setting in there where you can turn on your individual USB ports on your computer to have them stay on after you turn your computer off. But to get around that, you just use the power adapter and plug it in, leave it plugged in all the time. So that's pretty much all I had for you guys, just to look at this 11-port super speed hub. And you can actually turn these off individually like that while the other ones are on, which this thing's really cool. It's a really nice USB manager. Here's one more look at the box. If you guys are interested, click the link in the description, go check it out, see if it's going to work for you, look at the specs, go through the description, and see what you think. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, anything like that, drop them in the comment section below and I'll respond. I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.